What is the Immigration Answers Show and where is it headed? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. You know, we have a lot of good YouTube videos, a lot of good content on our webpage. We're always about giving away free information to our clients and educating them and our potential clients about all the nuances of federal immigration law. We've had this podcast, the Immigration Answers Show, for a while now, where we answer one question each episode, but we've decided to take the show in another direction and we're really excited about it. So on Tuesday, October 16th at noon Central, 1 Eastern and 10 a.m. Pacific, we're going to have a call-in show, and you're going to be able to call in and ask an immigration question. There'll be obviously no charge for it. We're going to record it and turn it into a podcast episode, but it's really going to let our listeners and our viewers really interact with us in a whole new way. So I'll be taking calls for that hour. There'll be a 1-800 number. We'll put it down in the show notes below, and you'll be able to call in that number, and we'll answer all the questions that we can in an hour, and then we'll record it, and we'll put it out as a podcast on the show. We'll also probably transcribe it, turn some of it into additional content, but it's going to be a real opportunity for people who have just that one little question about their case or wanting to learn about a different aspect of immigration law to sort of have their questions answered in a non-threatening, safe environment. You know, we're not going to use anybody's last name, so we're going to try to keep everything private, and we'll be reminding people of that on the call. But basically, you're going to be able to call this number and then get in line to ask me a question. And so if you have a question that you've been thinking about or something immigration-wise that's bothering you, we're not going to be able to give specific advice about a specific case, but we are going to be able to sort of talk in broad terms what's going on in immigration land and answer questions about the U.S. immigration process. So please be sure to make sure that you call in on that number. You're going to be able to ask whatever question you want. And we're also going to, like I said, record it and share it. So you'll be able to listen on the Immigration Answers Show. And so if you go to immigrationanswersshow.com, we'll have more information about that. You can also look for the number down below. If you have questions that you want to email us ahead of time, you can do that at info@hackinglawpractice.com. I'm not sure how many people are actually going to call in, so we'll probably have some questions set aside at the beginning so that we can make it as useful and informative as possible. And we'll probably sprinkle in other immigration thoughts or funny things that happen or things that you might find interesting as it relates to the U.S. immigration system. We're excited about the new format for the show, and we think you're really going to like it. All right, so make sure if you have questions about this, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. And then, of course, you can find us on our YouTube channel. Subscribe there if you haven't already. And join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. If you type in Immigrant Home on your Facebook search, you'll find it. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to hearing from you on October 16th, 2018. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.